Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best One-Up video game is probably one of the most exciting and immersive gaming experiences available today. With its stunning graphics, engaging gameplay, and a vast world to explore, it's no wonder why so many gamers are hooked. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or a newcomer to the world of gaming, this game offers something for everyone, promising hours of entertainment and adventure. Number 5. Think and Grow Rich. This book is a classic for a reason. It provides a roadmap to success, focusing on the power of the mind and the importance of setting goals. It teaches you how to achieve your dreams. The core concept is that your thoughts shape your reality. By controlling your thoughts and focusing on what you want, you can attract success. It emphasizes the importance of positive thinking. It stresses the importance of clearly defined goals. Writing down your goals and creating a plan to achieve them is crucial. This helps you stay focused and motivated. The book introduces the mastermind principle, which is about surrounding yourself with a supportive group. This group can provide advice, encouragement, and accountability. It's about collective wisdom. It highlights the importance of persistence and burning desire. You must be determined to overcome obstacles and never give up on your goals. This is a key to achieving your dreams. What we like. This external hard drive offers plug-and-play expandability, making it incredibly easy to use. It also boasts super speed USB 3.2 Gen 1 for fast data transfer. If you need a simple, reliable way to back up your files or expand your storage, this is a great choice. What people say. It shares a lot of ideas about mindset and achieving success. It talks about having a strong desire and being persistent. Napoleon Hill has done a fantastic job of organizing his thoughts into the 13 attributes found amongst wealthy men. Number 4. WD 5TB Elements Portable External Hard Drive. This is the WD Elements Portable External Hard Drive. It offers easy plug-and-play expandability. You can quickly add more storage to your computer with this device. It's ready to use right out of the box. Simply connect it to your computer, and it's ready to go. It's that simple to use. It features super speed USB 3.2 Gen 1 technology. This allows for fast data transfer speeds. You'll be able to move files quickly and efficiently. This drive is compatible with both PC and Mac. It's a versatile storage solution for all your devices. It works seamlessly with your existing setup. Need more space? This external hard drive is the perfect solution. It provides ample storage for all your files. Get yours today. What we like. This game table brings digital versions of classic games to life with a high-resolution screen. It also offers online multiplayer, allowing you to connect with friends and family. If you enjoy board games and want a modern, interactive experience, this table is perfect for you. What people say. Transfers are swift, and the drive remains cool and silent under prolonged use, a testament to careful engineering. It came formatted as NTFS. This little pocket-sized drive, seriously, my wallet is larger, can be plugged into 3.0, 2.0, or directly into my phone. It came formatted NTFS, just the way I prefer. Number 3. Arcade 1-Up 32 Infinity Game Table. This table brings digital versions of classic games to life. You can enjoy Hasbro's Monopoly, Scrabble, and many more. It's a whole new way to experience your favorites. The high-resolution screen adds realistic depth to every game. Social Play Plus lets you connect with players worldwide, with safe connections for up to 6 players. Feel the game with haptic feedback sensors and automatic zoom. These features provide a truly immersive gameplay experience, making the games more engaging. Relax while you play, because the surface resists spills and is tough enough for everyday use. The legs are also removable for tabletop play. With Wi-Fi, you can play online and access a growing library of games. Download new games and interactive content through the game store, expanding your options. What we like. This cleaning kit is compatible with a wide range of consoles, ensuring your games are always in top condition. It offers quick and easy cleaning, restoring your games in seconds. If you are a retro gamer who wants to keep your cartridges working, you should consider this. What people say. Just hit play, choose the amount of players and have at it. It's easy and fun. It has a lot of familiar games and I hope they continue to add to the collection. So many classic games along with games they made for the table which are really fun. Our current fave is Battleship. Great build quality, bright, responsive screen, and tons of games to choose from. It's super convenient not having to deal with physical pieces or cleanup, and the removable legs make it easy to use in different spaces. Number 2. 1UPCard Universal Game Cartridge Cleaner 3-Card Pack. Introducing the 1UPCard, a universal game cartridge cleaner. This 3-card pack is designed to quickly and easily restore your favorite games. It's compatible with Nintendo, Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis, N64, Atari, and more. This cleaner ensures that you can enjoy a wide variety of retro games. The durable cleaning card is built to last. It helps to restore your games quickly and easily, bringing back the fun. You can use it with your preferred cleaning fluid. It's also an expansion for the original 1UPCard kit, making it even more versatile. It's super simple and super fast to use. Get your games cleaned and ready to play in no time with this product. What we like. This kit is compatible with many consoles and includes 2 cleaning card sizes. It also comes with 99% isopropyl alcohol for effective cleaning. If you want a comprehensive cleaning solution for your game cartridges, this kit is the way to go. What people say. The game has a great selection of classic games. The joystick and buttons feel responsive and well made. The screen is bright and clear, making the games easy to see. Number 1. 1UPCard Video Game Cartridge Cleaning Kit. Is your game not working? This kit is designed to quickly and easily restore your games. It's super simple and super fast, getting you back to playing in no time. The kit includes 2 sizes of durable cleaning cards. They are compatible with a wide variety of game cartridges, ensuring that you can clean almost any game you own. This kit works with games for Nintendo, Game Boy, Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis, N64, Atari, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your retro gaming needs. The cleaning process is straightforward. Just insert the card and let it do its work. It's designed for ease of use, making it a hassle-free experience. The kit comes with 30 ml of 99% isopropyl alcohol. This ensures that the cleaning process is effective. It's easy to dispense and ready to use. What we like. This book is a classic self-help book. It is a guide to achieving financial success and personal fulfillment. If you are looking to improve your mindset and achieve your goals, you should consider this. What people say. Works really well at cleaning games. This eliminated the problem and it looks way cooler with my setup. My games read better now and I don't have to worry so much about damaging the cartridge. These cards work very well at cleaning old cartridges and are very easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.